I'll show you guys a quick issue I'm having struggles with. I followed Tech Toner on YouTube with his Home Assistant floor plan getting started, and was able to use some of the files that he gave me to go ahead and get a custom SVG working. When I wanted to go ahead and modify it, I edited the floor plan in Inkscape and then uploaded an edited one, and I noticed that when I uploaded the edited SVG, it wouldn't update on the dashboard. So I was a little surprised by that. So in order to get my floor plan working, I started afresh, and then I just started with my own SVG file after deleting using the file editor. I went through and cleaned out the entire directory and then created a new one in accordance with the tutorial, but then I used mine. So I got mine working, so I was super excited. I noticed I needed to go and add in a light right here at the front, because I have some lights that I want to start adding, and I'm working my way through it. And I went to Inkscape, added the thing right there, added the light that I wanted, and then I went to File Editor and uploaded the new file, which I'll show you here in a second. So if I go to Floor Plan, Home Simple, and I replace that one with the new SVG. So I have this light over here, so it should work. But what I'm noticing is even after refreshing and going back to this page, it's still not popping up. So I've tried restarting, Control-Shift-R, everything that I can think of, but I'm just not seeing that up-to-date image come through, which has me a little bit surprised on what's going on. Anyway, if you have some suggestions on how I can refresh this SVG and not do a complete fresh restart every single time I want to update this SVG, that'd be super helpful. Thank you for your help in advance, and if you want to comment, that's fine, and I'll post this on the GitHub.